my tutorial for a gingerbread mug with faux icing. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler with brownie points from Color Shot, and now I'll be using the epoxy method to apply my base glitter. But feel free to use whatever glitter applying method is easiest for you. To help flatten out my chunky glitter, I'll be using some wax paper to help lay it flat. For the handle, I'll be using my gloved finger. Do your darndest to get that glitter flat on the handle, especially this type of handle. It will go a long way towards having a nice smooth handle by the time we're done with this mug. Let your base glitter layer cure, then seal with a coat of epoxy. Then we'll be ready for our next step. I am now cleaning my rim off with an X-Acto knife, then I'll be using a 220 grit sanding block and doing a light sand all over my mug, including the handle. Each time I apply a coat of epoxy, I'll be sanding the handle, and doing this will give me a nice, smooth handle by the time I'm finished. I downloaded a super cute gingerbread man set on Design Bundles and used the tree, snowflake, and gingerbread man. But the set comes with other options as well. I just chose these three for my tumbler, but feel free to use whatever shape you like. Have fun with it. When you're all done adding your stencils, apply something to your stencil that will allow you to find them under your glitter later. I'm going to be using my low temp glue gun, but if you have another way, feel free. When you're finished, add your base paint. I'm going to be going pastel with this design, but you can use whatever color you like. To apply my glitter, I'll be using the epoxy method again. I'm also going to be using fast set, so as soon as I'm finished glittering, I'm going to be pulling my stencils. If you do the epoxy method with the regular epoxy, I would wait about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how hot your craft room is, before pulling my stencils up. Oh my lord, let this glitter layer cure, then seal with a clear sealer. I'll be using Krylon Triple Thick, then seal with a coat of epoxy. Then we'll be ready to add the details to our gingerbread men. Now, these details for our gingerbread pieces, they are pretty intricate, so I'll be doing a form of reverse weeding. I'll be putting the whole decal on my tumbler where I want it, then peeling up the excess from the tumbler itself. For the rest, I'm just going to be adding them all to the tumbler, then peeling up the excess stencil parts. Because I'm extra, I made an offset from the oh my lord, I can't talk, from the gingerbread man shapes, and decided to outline some of them, not all of them, I just did some, but you can absolutely skip this step if you like. When you're all done, seal your vinyl with a coat of epoxy and some extra sparkle while you're at it, okay? You don't have to, okay? You don't have to, but do it anyway, okay? Do it. Then we'll be ready to add our main decal. Now, okay, I will have this decal available in my Etsy shop with the disclaimer of purchase at your own risk. I don't know if I need to change my cutting blade, which I might because it's been a minute. But y'all, this decal was a pain. I don't know why I do it to myself. I don't know why. I don't know. Okay, reverse weeding did help, but Lord have mercy. If you purchase these, I can't talk. Oh my Lord, I can't talk. I can't talk today. Why can't I talk today? Anyways, if you purchase this decal, don't come for me, okay? Do not come for me. I have warned you. Normally, I seal my decal before adding my drip in case I mess up, but time was of the essence, so I went ahead and mixed my faux icing. I absolutely love nice and thick for my drips, but if you make your drips with just epoxy or cornstarch or whatever it is that you do to make your drips, please do you, fam. This is what works best for me, and I like it, so yeah, okay. I mixed up about 30 milliliters of epoxy and added the nice and thick until I got the consistency of literal icing. I also added some Alumilite white dye and some mica for some extra sparkle. I know my mixture is ready when I pick up my stir stick and the epoxy breaks free. It shouldn't be very drippy. And to test out my drip, I like to apply it to my cup and let it sit for a bit. That drip should barely move, if at all. When my concoction is all ready and I want to apply the faux icing to my tumbler, I literally glob it on and let gravity do its thing. If you want more drip, add more faux icing. If you don't want a lot, like if you're adding it over the decal part or section of the tumbler, then don't add as much. For more sparkle, I did add some more mica, but you can skip that step if you want. Okay, you can. Really, you can. Yeah, right. Add that sparkle, fam. Do it. I have left my tumbler exactly where it is, and it is now 3 hours later, and now I'm ready to apply my little cute little teeny weeny little gingerbread man. Now, one of my amazing mentorship group ladies sent me 2 bags of cabochons, and one of the bags had these cute little gingerbread pieces in them, so I'm not sure where she got them from. I'm sure if you go on Amazon, you can find something very similar. But if you are watching this, and you better be, thank you so much, Sherry. I love them. I let my tumbler cure overnight, and now I'm ready to do my bottom. I kept the bottom simple since it's not very deep, so I added some glitter, some cute decals, my signature, and I called it a day. I sealed my whole tumbler till it was nice and smooth, and then I was all done. That's it, guys! I have not done a drip tumbler in a month of Sundays, and I absolutely love it. Have fun making your gingerbread mugs with faux icing, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!